Welcome, everyone. Get ready to score some of the year's biggest deals at Best Buy this Black Friday and Cyber Monday. From sleek TVs and powerful laptops to the latest smartphones, must-have appliances, and popular video games, there's something for everyone. Don't wait. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are the perfect times to snag high-quality tech and appliances, which can be found in today's list. Diving now into our list, we have the Samsung 50-inch Class U7900 Series UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV. Experience stunning visuals with Samsung's 50-inch U7900 4K Smart TV. Featuring crystal UHD and adaptive sound, it brings vibrant colors, smooth motion, and immersive audio to every scene. Powered by Tizen OS, streaming your favorite shows is effortless. Its sleek, modern design fits any room, making it perfect for movies, gaming, and everyday entertainment.
Next item spotted is the Insignia 70-inch Class F50 Series LED 4K UHD Smart Fire TV. Transform your living room with the Insignia 70-inch F50 4K UHD Fire TV. Its vivid colors and lifelike detail make movies, shows, and games immersive. With built-in Fire TV and Alexa voice control, stream, game, and binge watch effortlessly. Big screen entertainment has never been smarter or more spectacular.
Stealing the scene, we have the Sony 43-inch Class Bravia 2 LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV 2025. Experience stunning visuals with Sony's 43-inch Bravia 2 4K Google TV. The cognitive processor XR delivers lifelike color, contrast, and sound, while Google TV makes streaming effortless. With eco-friendly design and premium craftsmanship, this 2025 model combines cutting-edge technology and style for an immersive smart TV experience. Another recommended item is the Insignia 2.0 Mini Soundbar 20-inch in black. Enhance your TV audio with the 20-inch Insignia 2.0 Mini Soundbar. Compact yet powerful, it delivers clear, room-filling sound and fits perfectly under any screen. Easy Bluetooth and wired connections simplify setup, while its sleek design elevates your entertainment, turning everyday TV watching into an immersive audio experience. Grabbing a spot in the list, we present to you the TCL 65-inch QM5K Series 4K HDR QD Mini LED Smart TV. Experience stunning visuals with TCL's 65-inch QM5K 4K HDR QD Mini LED Smart TV. Quantum dot color and precise contrast bring every scene to life, while Google TV offers endless streaming options. Advanced gaming features ensure smooth play, and its sleek design combines style and performance, elevating your home viewing experience. Securing a spot to shine is the Pioneer 43-inch Class LED 4K UHD Smart Sumo TV. Enjoy crisp 4K visuals with the Pioneer 43-inch Smart Sumo TV. Built-in Xumo Play offers free live and on-demand streaming, while dynamic audio enhances every scene. Easy setup, a user-friendly interface, and Pioneer's trusted quality make this LED TV a versatile and reliable centerpiece for your home entertainment. Setting off the screen, let's see the HP 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. Boost your productivity with the HP 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop. Its responsive touchscreen, fast Intel processor, and long-lasting battery make work, study, and streaming effortless. Slim and stylish, it delivers smooth performance, crisp visuals, and reliable Windows functionality, making it an ideal choice for everyday multitasking. Included in the list is the Apple MacBook Air 13-inch laptop. Experience the perfect blend of power and portability with the Apple MacBook Air 13-inch. Powered by Apple's M3 chip, it offers lightning-fast performance, stunning Retina visuals, and up to 18 hours of battery life. Ultra-thin and fanless, it's whisper-quiet, stylish, and ideal for students, creatives, and professionals on the go. Another worth checking out is the Gigabyte Aero X16 Copilot Plus PC 16-inch gaming laptop. Dominate gaming and creative tasks with the Gigabyte Aero X16 Copilot Plus PC. Its 16-inch display, powerful NVIDIA graphics, and AI-driven Copilot Plus optimization deliver ultra-smooth visuals and top-tier performance. With advanced cooling, precision engineering, and sleek design, this laptop is perfect for gamers, creators, and innovators seeking next-level speed and reliability. Not gonna back off, it's time to showcase the Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook. Stay productive on the go with the Lenovo IdeaPad 3i Chromebook. Lightweight and fast booting, it keeps you connected with reliable Wi-Fi and all-day battery life. Perfect for students or casual users, it offers smooth performance, sharp visuals, and built-in Google apps, making browsing, streaming, and productivity effortless wherever you are. Next item to make a scene is the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless noise-canceling over-the-ear headphones. Experience next-level audio with Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless headphones. Offering industry-leading noise cancellation, crystal-clear sound, and all-day comfort, they make every listening session extraordinary. With up to 30 hours of battery life, adaptive sound control, and a sleek, stylish design, these headphones combine luxury, cutting-edge technology, and serenity. Perfect for any environment. Moving to the next pick, we have the JBL Tune 245NC True Wireless Noise-Canceling Earbuds. Immerse yourself in rich, powerful sound with JBL Tune 245NC True Wireless Earbuds. Featuring active noise cancellation, a comfortable fit, and up to 40 hours of combined playtime, they keep you focused on your music. Dual Connect lets you use either earbud independently, and fast charging ensures your tunes never skip a beat. At this moment, let's take a peek at the Bose Quiet Comfort wireless noise-canceling over-the-ear Bluetooth headphones. Enjoy unparalleled comfort and exceptional sound with Bose Quiet Comfort wireless noise-canceling headphones. Featuring world-class noise cancellation and rich and balanced audio, they let you immerse yourself or stay aware with Aware Mode. Lightweight, durable, and offering up to 24 hours of battery life, these headphones transform listening, travel, and focus into a seamless premium experience. Next item to show off is the Beats Solo 4 wireless on-ear headphones Slate Blue. Elevate your audio experience with Beats Solo 4 wireless on-ear headphones in Slate Blue. Enjoy powerful, balanced sound, a comfortable on-ear fit, and personalized spatial audio for immersive listening experience. With long-lasting battery life and effortless device pairing, these headphones are ideal for work, workouts, and on-the-go entertainment. Chosen as part of the list, we introduce you to the Apple AirPods Pro 2. Experience unmatched audio with Apple AirPods Pro 2. Featuring the H2 chip, advanced noise cancellation, and personalized spatial audio, they deliver crystal-clear calls and immersive sound. With a customizable fit, seamless Apple device switching, and up to 30 hours of total listening time with the case, these earbuds redefine convenience and quality. Featuring another worthy item, we have the Insignia 18.6 cubic foot bottom freezer refrigerator. Keep your food fresh and organized with the Insignia 18.6 cubic foot bottom freezer refrigerator. Its roomy interior, adjustable shelves, and energy-efficient cooling make storage easy, while the convenient bottom freezer keeps frozen items within reach. Sleek and modern, it's a stylish addition to any kitchen. Appearing now on the screen is the Nordic Track Commercial 2450 treadmill with 24-inch pivoting touchscreen. Elevate your fitness routine with the Nordic Track Commercial 2450 treadmill. Its 24-inch pivoting HD touchscreen and iFit compatibility bring trainer-led workouts right into your home. Enjoy powerful incline and decline settings, a smooth, quiet motor, and a space-saving design that makes every run engaging, challenging, and geared toward real results.
Fit to be part of the list? Let's check out the LG 2.4 cubic feet HE Smart Front Load Washer and 4.2 cubic feet electric dryer wash tower. Simplify laundry day with the LG Wash Tower, a space-saving washer and dryer combo. The 2.4 cubic feet front-load washer and 4.2 cubic feet electric dryer use AI technology to optimize cycles, delivering powerful cleaning and drying. Sleek and smart, you can control settings from your phone. Making it to Spotlight, we have the Frigidaire Gallery 30-inch built-in electric total convection combination wall oven with microwave. Upgrade your kitchen with this item. Total convection technology delivers even baking, roasting, and air frying, while the sleek touchscreen controls and stainless steel design add style and convenience. The microwave's versatile functions make meal prep faster, easier, and more efficient every day. Now diving off is the Anker Solix F3800 Whole Home Backup Power Station. Stay powered through outages with this power station. Boasting massive energy capacity, solar compatibility, and rapid recharging, it keeps essential devices running smoothly. Quiet, reliable, and intelligently designed, the Solix F3800 is perfect for off-grid living or emergency preparedness. Showing now on the screen, one of our picks is the Apple iPhone 14 128GB Unlocked. This phone combines style and performance in one sleek package. Featuring a Super Retina XDR display,
the powerful A15 Bionic chip, and dual 12-megapixel cameras. It handles everything from streaming to photography with ease, and also with safety features like crash detection and emergency SOS. Highlighting another item, we have the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge 256GB unlocked. This phone puts cutting-edge technology in the palm of your hand. Its QHD+ 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, and 200-megapixel ultra-wide camera system deliver unmatched performance and photography. With all-day battery life, a premium titanium build, and unlocked versatility, the S25 Edge defines next-level mobile innovation. Second to the last item in our list is the Geek Squad certified refurbished PlayStation 4. Dive into a vast library of games with the refurbished PlayStation 4. Certified by Geek Squad for like-new performance and backed by a warranty, it's ready for epic multiplayer battles, movie streaming, and classic titles. Enjoy all of the excitement of PlayStation gaming with confidence and value. Last but not the least, we present to you the Geek Squad certified refurbished Switch OLED model with Joy-Con Nintendo Switch. Enjoy the versatility of handheld and TV gaming with the refurbished Nintendo Switch OLED, complete with Joy-Con controllers. Certified by Geek Squad for like-new performance, it offers a vibrant OLED display, ample storage, and smooth multiplayer action, all at a fraction of the price of a brand-new console.
Seriously, thank you for watching. Don't miss out. Snag those epic Black Friday and Cyber Monday deals now before they completely vanish. Find the quick links waiting for you in the description below. If this video helped you, hit the like button, drop a quick comment, and subscribe so you stay up to date on the latest tech and holiday bargains. See you next time. Happy shopping!